while they're signing their contracts as well.
We're so honored to introduce Dustin as our newest brand endorser of Aromagicare.
We see that this is a magical journey with Dustin. Not just because he's gonna grow with us, because we will also be growing with him.
Usapan namin a while ago, after Korea, ginawa na sila ng Thai actor endorser. Tapos next is ako na. So, kanina sinasabi ko sa kanila na grabe, sobrang laki ng tiwala na binigay nila sa akin.
And we think this is the perfect time to share this with you all. On December 4, on December